How to create partition in Windows 11. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can create partition on Windows 11. For this, you want to click on the search bar and search for computer management, then click on this. Now over here, you want to click on disk management. Now you want to right click on the drive, then click on the shrink volume option. Now it will take some time. Once this box opens up, you want to enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. Once you have entered it, click on the shrink option. Now you're going to get this unallocated drive over here. Simply right click on this. Now click on new simple volume option. Click on next, then click on next again. Now you can assign the drive letter over here. After that is done, click on next. Now here again you can change some settings such as volume label. After that, click on next, then click on finish. And in this way you can create partition on Windows 11, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.